Hi everyone, welcome to Alternavita. Today we're going to go over some natural beauty products. And the first one on the list, of course, is Bovine Colostrum. And I would like to come up with a list of 5, but so far I only have 4. And I think it's probably going to be like everything else, 20% of the substances do 80% of the work. And since I've run out of superfoods, because that's pretty much the case with everything, the 80-20 rule, um, I decided to move on to another topic. And bovine colostrum is number 1, of course. You would not believe how much younger you will look if you begin using bovine colostrum as an oral supplement. However, this actually began with burn patients, and colostrum was used as a topical medicinal to help with healing of burns and other types of wound healing. And that's in part how they discovered it's such a great beauty product. But now you can find colostrum in a lot of different skincare products. So, bovine colostrum is a beauty supplement, nature's anti-aging powerhouse. It promotes the repair of damaged skin and encourages the regeneration of skin cells. So again, bovine colostrum is a rich bioactive substance, and you can use it to combat aging. And that also includes your skin, of course. So again, some of the bioactive components in bovine colostrum include immunoglobulins, growth factors, lactoferrin, cytokines, and where'd my other list go? It's going to stay permanently on each page because people don't believe that it is actually a living immune substance. So it contains macrophages, T lymphocytes, B lymphocytes, and these are leukocytes, polymorphonuclear cells, epithelial cells, and again, it also has immunoglobulins, growth factors, vitamins, and hormones. So, as we spoke about last week, one of the main reasons it helps with anti-aging is due to the uh, growth factors like IGF and EGF. EGF is epidermal growth factor, and these components stimulate collagen production and promote the repair of damaged skin and encourage the regeneration of skin cells. Collagen is the protein responsible for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. As we age, collagen production decreases, leading to wrinkles, sagging skin, and fine lines. By promoting collagen synthesis, bovine colostrum can help maintain a youthful complexion, reduce wrinkles, and improve overall skin texture. And that is one of the things that you will notice relatively fast once you begin taking bovine colostrum, unlike other things that take a longer time to repair, like joints and organs and immune system, things like that. Although gut healing only takes about 4 to 6 months, depending on your condition. Other things can take up to 18 months to 24 months of daily use before you will notice that they're pretty much completely remedied. So, number 2, it enhances skin hydration and elasticity because of the essential fats, proteins, and vitamins. These help nourish the skin and help maintain proper moisture levels. The growth factors in colostrum also play a critical role in skin repair. These factors work at a cellular level to promote the regeneration of skin cells, which makes it excellent for healing damaged or scarred skin, whether from acne, sun exposure, or environmental pollutants. By promoting the growth of new skin cells, bovine colostrum helps to fade scars and improve uneven skin tone, and it helps restore the skin's natural radiance. And additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of cytokines and lactoferrin help calm irritated skin and speed up the healing process. The 4th reason is it offers protection from free radicals like UV radiation and environmental pollutants, which can cause oxidative stress, which accelerates skin aging and damage. Bovine colostrum's powerful antioxidants. It also helps you create glutathione, including lactoferrin and immunoglobulins, neutralize free radicals and protect the skin from oxidative stress. By reducing these harmful effects, bovine colostrum helps prevent premature aging and the development of fine lines and wrinkles. And also, due to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, bovine colostrum can be effective in managing acne and other inflammatory skin conditions like rosacea and eczema. Lactoferrin has been shown to reduce inflammation, inhibit bacterial growth, especially the kind associated with acne, and it helps promote healing. And the 6th reason is improvement in skin tone and texture. The exfoliation of dead skin cells combined with the promotion of new cell growth helps to improve skin's texture and brightness. Many users of bovine colostrum supplements or topical products report a more radiant complexion, reduction in hyperpigmentation, and overall healthier looking skin. So, how to incorporate bovine colostrum in your beauty routine? The number one way, of course, would be with your daily milk, daily colostrum, kefir, yogurt, milk drink, because milk also is a great beauty supplement, and so are probiotics, of course. So the number one way is taken internally, and they're available in powder or capsule form and should be taken regularly for best results. There are now topical colostrum products. I can't remember any off the top of my head, but I do know since they're medicinal, they have been incorporated into some topical over-the-counter products. And if you would like to make a mask, which I will say that when it came to the topical medicinals for burns and things like that, they did have very good results. So if you'd like to make a mask, you can use water, honey, aloe vera, or anything that helps dissolve colostrum. So any type of oil that you feel safe putting on your skin, it can also be mixed with that to make a mask. So in conclusion, bovine colostrum is more than just an immune boosting supplement. It's a powerful beauty enhancer with a host of skin loving benefits, from promoting youthful, radiant skin to calming inflammation and accelerating the healing process. Bovine colostrum offers a natural solution to many common skincare concerns. And again, part of that reason is it's a living substance, unlike chemicals and other beauty products or medicinals. Whether taken internally or applied topically, this nutrient-rich substance is poised to become a staple in the world of beauty and anti-aging supplements. By incorporating bovine colostrum into your beauty routine, you can tap into its remarkable regenerative and protective properties to enjoy healthier, more youthful skin. With its scientific backing and increasing popularity, bovine colostrum is fast becoming the go-to supplement for those seeking natural beauty solutions. And I will say it is by far one of the most effective out there for helping keep your skin looking young. So it really does work, and I think you should give it a try. And I would never personally be without it. And a lot of as the owner of the owner producer of the brand that I use. I believe he's somewhere around 90 years young, and I'm sure he would attest, he and his wife would attest to the benefits of colostrum, especially in the elderly and, of course, in the young, because the young and elderly and anyone with any type of health condition. So, okay, everyone, thanks for your time today, and I'll see you next time. And I hope to do enough research to get that top 5 in my list. And yeah, I don't, if it didn't work, I wouldn't use it. And there is a top 5 that I would put my name to. And bovine colostrum is just one of that top 4. Top 4 are in my cupboard right now, but I'm sure there's a 5th out there, and I just haven't found it yet. And I would like it to be a top 5. So, okay, everyone, thanks for your time. I'll see you next time. Bye.